Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I picked up a few items from my Hobby Lobby store. So this past week the Paper Studios was 40% off, so I picked this up. These are Christmas stickers. I really like this one. It's like the classic Christmas images, really cute. Even the Polaroid classic right there, right? It's cute. So these were all 40% off, and then the regular price are $2.99. I paid $1.79 for two of these. And then I also picked up this one. This one, the regular price is $2.49, and I paid $1.49. This is the small sticker pack. You get two sheets, see? One and two. I like that one. And then, let's see. Oh, when I was buying this, and hopefully you know too. So when you're buying Christmas items, I mean, they're all Christmas, but the Paper Studio is considered separate from the Christmas. And the Christmas items are now 50% off. So just make sure it'll have like the Christmas name on there. Those are the ones that are 50% off. And then the Paper Studio is 40. So, but I did pick up 4 of these Santas. I thought they were really cute. You only get one sheet in package. Oh, here's an. I got the nutcrackers. I picked up 2 of them. Oh, another thing, yeah, they were different prices. The girl overcharged me at the counter, so I took this back and I was going to just return this, but the manager just did a price match for me. So it was $1.99, and then the 40% off of that. So it was like $1.19 for both of them. And then I decided to pick up some yarn. I picked this up. This is Yarn Bee Scrubology 2.0, and it's silver. It's like an eyelash trim, right? Look at that. Isn't that cute? I like it. I'm going to use it in my Christmas project, so I picked this one up. I also picked this up. This is a Stitch Soak Scrub, 100% nylon. It was $3.49, and then these were, I believe, 30% off. So I paid $2.44. And then this one, let's see. This one, the silver one, was $3.99, and I paid $2.79. But look at this. This, I did not realize Hobby Lobby has this until I was watching a crafter and she showed me. It's like a crocheted nylon threading. Can you tell? Quite interesting. Now you can make your own scrub pad with this, right? But I was thinking I might use this in a craft project instead. Maybe as a trim. That would be cute, right? Or you can use it while making tassels, right? And it does come in a few other colors, so take a look when you go to Hobby Lobby. And this one is there? Oh, here we go. It's blue indigo. So I got one of those. While I was in the yarn section, I decided to stop by the embroidery aisle and look at this. These are going on clearance. The little artiste pieces. I only picked up these pins. They're the enamel top straight pins, and you get a butterfly, a rose, and this says needles, and then you get the bird. It was 87 cents. So I picked that one up. And then over in the Paper Studio, they have some more clearance going on. So these threadings are on sale. So let me see if I can undo it. It's so cute. Well, it's like a black thread with a rainbow metallic threading going through. You see that? And they only had one in this color, so I went ahead and picked this up. I'm going to use this as a string. I think it'll make like really cute strings for like when you're making name tags. Look at that. Oh, how pretty. And it was 49 cents. A regular price at $1.99. And then I found these too. Now, there are other of the flowers that are on sale, the paper flowers. I wanted this one. These are regular price $4.99, and I bought it for $1.24. Let me get this out of here. You get 40 pieces in here. Look at that. How cute are these? They're just flowers, and it has like little pearls on the inside of the flower. Isn't that cute? I like them so much, I picked up two. And then this is everything that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this week. I didn't go, searching too much. I mainly went to get some Christmas stickers because I needed Christmas stickers for my planner, and then I saw these and I can use that while making name tags. And then I also went to get this yarn, but I'm quite willing to experiment with this. I think it will make a really nice trim in any project that I make. And then this is also in the same section as this, so that's why I'm like, ooh, how cute. I like this. Really, really nice. But take a look at your store when you go. The washi section and that run, they're starting to get marked down. So take a look. Like the little plastic buttons, the character buttons, all that is going on sale. So I didn't need any, so I didn't pick any of those up. And then there's a lot of flowers going on sale, especially the 1-inch flowers. And really cute ones, but I didn't have a need for any large flowers. I just wanted the small ones. And then most of them have like a centerpiece in them. So if that's something you're looking forward to using, I would say pick them up now. But I like this. It's like a variety of colors. Cute, right? I'm quite happy I stopped at my store and picked those up. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.